In a world where cities stretch to the skies, where technology whispers in every corner of life, one question remains. Who will feed tomorrow's billions? Perhaps the answer lies not in human hands, but in the tireless arms of machines, AI robots, the silent farmers of the future. Imagine fields that never sleep. Machines that plant with precision, harvest with care, and monitor every leaf as if it were priceless. Imagine vertical towers of food in the heart of megacities, glowing gardens floating above oceans, and AI robots ensuring no child goes hungry again. This is not science fiction. It is the farming of tomorrow. AI in farming is not just about machines, it is about survival. With climate change, shrinking farmland, and rising populations, our old ways cannot keep up. AI robots promise efficiency, sustainability, and abundance. Drones scan fields from the sky, predicting diseases before they spread. Robotic arms harvest with zero waste. Algorithms calculate when crops drink and when they breathe. This is digital transformation at the root of humanity's oldest need, food. But what about jobs? Technology trends show us that while machines replace tasks, they also create opportunities. Farmers of the future will not only till soil, but also code machines, design algorithms, and manage AI fleets. The future of jobs is not about losing work, it is about redefining it. This is the AI innovation that could feed us all. But in this glittering vision, a question lingers. What happens when we entrust our food, our survival, to machines? Will we lose the touch of the farmer's hand, the wisdom of seasons, the soul of the soil? Or will we gain something greater, a world without hunger, a planet restored, a chance to heal what we have broken? The farms of tomorrow may look nothing like the fields we know. Yet they may give us more than food, they may give us hope. AI will not replace humanity. It will remind us what we truly need: balance, wisdom, and compassion. The future of farming is not just about robots. It is about us, humans and machines, growing together. Comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.